Hello everyone, I'm Siyad Maalim from SOMA Academy, and today I'm going to show you how to find the volume of a rectangular prism. Before we get started, I want to ask you guys to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. That way, when I release new content like this, you will get notified. Let's start by defining what volume is. Volume is the amount of space an object occupies. And we need to also know the units of measurement for volume. Normally, whatever the unit is, whether it is centimeter or meter or inch, it's always in cubic. Centimeter or cubic meter or cubic of any of the units that you're using. So we will start with volume of a rectangular prism. But before I move into that, I have to explain that volume of any prism is generally equal to the base area times height, where the base area can be of different shape. It can be a triangle, it can be a rectangle, it can be a square, and so it can be any shape. Based on that, the formula for the volume of a prism based on the base area, it can differ. For example, if it is a rectangle, which is what we are looking at today, the volume is always equal to base area times height, but the base area, if it is a rectangle, is length times width. So let us see an example. Say we have this rectangular prism. Say we have that rectangular prism. Say we have 10 meter here, 12 meter, and then 5 meter. In order to find the volume is equal to length times width times height. Okay, the length times width is coming from the base area, because the base area, this is the base area. The base area is a rectangle, and area of a rectangle is length times width. Therefore, volume is equal to length is 10 multiplied by the width, which is 12, multiplied by the height, which is 5. Okay, so that will give me 12 times, that is 120 times 5. This will give me 60, and then the unit is in meter. So therefore the volume is 600 meter cube. Okay, let us do another example. Say we have another rectangular prism. Okay, the length is, say, 8 centimeter, the width is 4 centimeter, and the height is 2 centimeter. Similarly, the base area is a rectangle. This is the base area. An area of a rectangle is length times width. Therefore, in general, the volume of a rectangular prism is always equal to length times width times height. What is our length in this case? Is 8 centimeter multiplied by what is our width, that is 4 centimeter, times what is the height, that is 2 centimeter. Therefore, the volume is 8 times 4, that is 32. 32 times 2, that is 64 centimeter cube. Because centimeter times centimeter times centimeter, that gives you centimeter cube. So that is, in a nutshell, that's how we find the volume of a rectangular prism. Let us do one final example. Okay, so say we have here 12 centimeter, we say here 5 centimeter, and this is 2 centimeter. In order to find the volume, the formula is volume is equal to length times width times height. Okay, so what is our length? The length is 12 centimeter, the width is 5 centimeter, and the height is 2 centimeter. Therefore 5 times 12 is 60 times 2, that's 120 centimeter cube. Okay, I'll stop it there for today. I hope the content was helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Thank you.